It's over now. Yeah, young fella. Ha! I told you I was gonna win, Q. I told you.
You know what, man? I don't even care, man. Rematch. Rematch me. Dog, come on.
Already won. I'm not about to play this again. Get something else.
All right, whatever I lift, dog, you gotta lift. We're gonna start out light right now.
Let's see if you can do this. How many reps?
We only gonna do 2 right now. Yeah, come on out. Let's go, little nigga.
Boy, 2 reps? That ain't nothing. Come on.
Come on, push, nigga.
What was that, 600 pounds?
Man, try like 60, dog.
Man, you crazy. That's 600.
No, it ain't. That's 60, dog.
What? What's that?
That's 25.
What's that?
25. That's 50 and the bar is 10, dog.
I mean, you might have won that. But who got the plumber crack?
You got the fucking
Who got the plumber crack?
You got the fucking
Who got the plumber crack?
You got the fucking class.